Valve coming back with yet another W. I think that's pretty much an understatement. Everything they do is a W. So Valve has a system ready for people to reserve the new Steam machine. Now keep in mind, this is not live yet, but this is a system that they're going to do to prevent scalpers and prevent bots and crap like that. Here's the new Steam secret code, which lists 4 different Steam machine models plus 2 for the Steam frame. They found this after adding the same reservation queue for the Steam controllers a few days ago. The controller went on sale May 4th and sold out quickly, so Valve activated the queue on May 8th. It will work like this. You're joined a waiting line. When the stock is ready, they send you an email giving you 72 hours to buy it. Only one per account, and the account must be old with some purchases to prevent resellers. So, reselling. So, for example, your account probably has to be at least 2 or 3 years old would be my idea. And then also, let's say, I don't know, $200-$300 worth of games. Maybe, probably less than that. But like, at least a decent amount of money spent on games to prove like, hey, this is not just a throwaway account. This is a legitimate account that, probably a real person actually owns. Not just someone creating an account just so that they can buy a Steam machine, jack up the price, and sell it for stupid money. I love this. I love this idea. Now, again, there's going to be people who start selling their accounts so that people can buy up the stock and, just absolutely take all of the Steam machines. That's going to be what happens. Like, if someone just has an account that, let's say you set up a Steam account, I don't know, 5 years ago, you bought a crap ton of games on there, but you haven't logged on in a couple years, and now people are going to probably start selling those accounts. And then, well, that's going to go. Anyway, but the idea, the concept of them trying is all that matters, okay? They used this system before with the first Steam Deck, didn't work well, so they plan to use it with a Steam machine too. They have not opened reservations or announced the exact launch date, but the system is ready and tested. So that's really what it comes down to. At the end of the day, these scalping sons of a guns will find a way to beat any system you put out there, but just doing anything or trying to is always a W effort by my standards. So we'll see. We'll see what ends up happening, but I think this is a W for Valve. Hopefully, more people who actually are buying it to play the Steam machine can get the Steam machine. Not just those greedy scalpers that freaking just try to look at every little piece of tech industry as a way to make as much money as humanly possible. Which, again, I'm not against people making money. I'm against people being scalping pieces of crap who can't just let people have fun and actually have products for MSRP because they have to get the greedy little hands on everything and make every little dollar amount possible. But I think I'm preaching to the masses here. I don't think anyone who watches my channel is a fan of scalping. Maybe you are. I don't know. I used to work with a guy back when I was a dishwasher at my last job, and he did scalping all the time. I mean, any shoes, electronics, anything. Literally hated that guy because it's just, and he would brag about it too. Like, he would be very boastful about it, and it is what it is. He would literally have like 5,000 bots set up, and he'd be at work and he'd be like, "Oh, I'm gonna take a break," and I'm like, "Dude, we're like really busy right now," and it's because he had these bots set up. And if he didn't have if his card maxed out or whatever, he'd have to use another card to max that card out for this. Ugh. Disgusting behavior. But, it is what it is. That's how it works at the end of the day. Peace out, guys.